Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to walk you through Jobber. If you're scheduling jobs, managing clients, or handling invoices, Jobber makes it easy to grow your business. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Jobber, step by step. First, we'll do a quick overview of what Jobber is. Then I'll show you how to sign up. After that, we'll check out the dashboard so you can see how to find your way around. Finally, I'll teach you how to add a new client, create a request, make a quote, and set up a job. All right, let's dive in. First of all, let me give you a brief overview of what Jobber is. Jobber is a tool that helps small businesses get things done more easily. It's great for businesses like cleaners, landscapers, or repair services. With Jobber, you can plan jobs, keep track of your team, send bills to customers, and save their info all in one place. You can use it on your computer or phone, so you can manage your business from anywhere. Plus, it helps you create quotes, send reminders, and even connect with tools like QuickBooks to handle money better. Basically, Jobber saves you time and keeps everything organized. That way, you can spend less time on paperwork and more time focusing on actual work. It's simple and super helpful. Now that you have an idea of what Jobber is, let's move forward and I'll show you how to sign up. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Start Free Trial button. On the next page, you have different sign-up options, including signing up with your email, Google account, or Apple account. For this tutorial, we'll use Google to sign up. So, click on the Continue with Google button and select the Google account you want to use. Then, authorize Jobber to access your email and basic profile information. Once you sign up, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Now that you've signed up, let's check out the Jobber dashboard. On the left side, there's a menu with different tabs. Let me walk you through each one step by step. The Create tab is where you can quickly create new things like client, request, quote, job, and invoice. Next, the Home tab is your starting point. It's where you'll see a quick overview of your day and any important updates. Moving on, the Schedule gives you a clear calendar view of all your appointments and tasks so you can stay on top of your time. After that, the Clients tab helps you keep all your customer info organized in one spot, making it easy to find their details or contact them when needed. Then, the Requests tab is where new leads or inquiries come in. This is where you can handle them before turning them into jobs. Further down, the Quotes tab is for creating and sending professional estimates to your clients. The Jobs tab lists all of your current and upcoming projects, so you can easily keep track of the details. Additionally, the Invoices tab is where you can send bills and track payments to make sure you get paid on time. In terms of growth, the Marketing tab has tools to help you promote your business and grow your client list. Furthermore, the Reports tab shows you useful data about your business performance, so you can see what's working and make smarter decisions. On the financial side, the Expenses tab helps you track all your spending, making it easy to manage your costs. Likewise, the Timesheets tab lets you and your team log work hours, so everyone stays organized. The Apps shows you all the integrations and add-ons you can connect with Jobber to make your workflow smoother. And finally, the Refer a Friend is where you can invite others to try Jobber and earn rewards when they sign up. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now, let's discuss how to create a new client in Jobber. To create a new client in Jobber, just click the Create button at the top of the menu. After that, you'll see a list of options. Pick Client. This will bring up a form where you can fill in the client's info. The form has two main parts, client details and property details. In the client details section, first enter the client's first and last name. You can also pick a title like Mr. or Miss from the drop-down menu. If the client is a company, you can add the company name instead and check the box that says use company name as the primary name if that fits. Next, you'll see spaces for contact details. Add the client's main phone number and email address here. Just click add phone number or add email address to include extra contact info. There's also an option to set up automated notifications and a section for additional client details if you want to personalize the client profile even more. The property details section is where you put the client's property or service address. If the billing address is the same as the property address, just leave the checkbox as it is. But if you need to add more property details, you can open up this section and fill in the extra information. Once you've filled out all the fields, you can either click Save Client to save the info or choose Save and Create Another if you want to add another another client right away. If you need to back out at any point, just hit the cancel button at the bottom left of the form. Now, let's go over how you can create a new request in Jobber. To create a new request in Jobber, just click the Requests tab on the left menu. This takes you to the Requests page where you can see all your current requests. To create a new one, just click the New Request button at the top right corner. From there, a form will pop up so you can fill in all the details about your request. At the top of the form, you'll see the Request Title field. This is where you add a short title to describe what the request is about. It helps give a quick idea of what the request is for. Over on the right, there's the Request Details section, which automatically shows the date the request was created. Then you'll come to the Service Details section. Here, you can add more information about what's needed. This is where you explain the job, what work needs to be done, the client's expectations, or anything else important to know. In the Your Availability section, set the time when the client wants the work assessment to take place. First, pick the best day using the calendar, and if you want, you can also suggest a backup day, just in case. Next, you could choose the preferred arrival times to match the client's schedule. Just pick one or more options: anytime, morning, afternoon, or evening. Right below that, there's an on-site assessment required toggle. If you turn it on, we'll schedule an in-person assessment before the job starts. This helps us better understand the client's needs. The internal notes section is just for your team. This is where you can write down any notes about the request that the client won't see. You can also upload files here by dragging and dropping them or using the Select a File button. Plus, if needed, you can connect those notes to quotes, jobs, or invoices by checking the boxes at the bottom of the form. When you're done filling everything out, just click the Select Client button at the bottom right to finish the request. If you change your mind or need to stop, there's a Cancel button at the bottom left. Let me show you how you can create a new quote in Jobber. It's super easy. First, head to the left menu and click on the Quotes tab. That'll take you to the Quotes page where you can see all of your quotes. Now, to create a new quote, click on the New Quote button in the top right corner. A pop-up will show up giving you two options: use a template or create a blank quote. If you already have a template, go ahead and select it. If not, just click Create Blank Quote and fill in the details for yourself. When the blank quote form pops up, first off, enter the job title at the top. On the right, you'll see the Quote Details section. That's where you add the client info and other details. Plus, you can customize it, like you can add a custom field to make it look more professional. Next up is the Product/Service section. Here, list out the items or services you're quoting. Just fill in the name, description, quantity, and unit price. If you're quoting multiple items, use the Add Line Item button. Or if something's optional, click the Add Optional Line Item. You can also add notes or context by using the Add Text button. On the right side, you'll see the subtotal and the final total for the quotes. This includes any discounts, tax, or required deposit. To add a discount or tax, just click the links and enter the amount. As you scroll down, you'll see the Client Message section where you can leave a personal note for your client. Right below that, there's the Contract/Disclaimer section with standard terms like this quote is valid for 30 days. You can edit this text if you need to as well. Then there's the Internal Notes section, which is just for your team. Clients won't see it. So if you need to add files, you can drag and drop them or use the Select a File button. Plus, you can link these notes to related jobs or invoices by ticking the boxes. Once everything looks good, click the Select Client button to save and finalize the quote. And that's it for this tutorial. Today, we covered how to sign up for Jobber, explored the dashboard, and learned how to create clients, requests, and quotes. I hope this video made everything clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with Jobber, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.